Hello, I'm Ryan Parrish for Exactly Shears. Had some emails of folks wanting to see the steps of the sharpening on the flat home and the guide machine. And in particular, some folks wanted to see how fast it was. Okay, let me show you. I always start with a 40 micron pad on the head. Are you ready to start timing? Well, look at your watch. Okay, we're going to be doing a beveled scissor. I've already got it clamped in and the guide stop set. Okay. Are you ready? Look at your watch. Here we go. Turn the machine on. We're going to be making 3 passes on the 40 micron, or until we get a burr. We have a burr. Are you counting? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. 5 seconds in between pad changes. Now we're going to 30 micron. 3 passes. 1, 2, 3. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. I'm on a 15 micron now. Probably 5 passes on the 15 usually. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. See, I can do it faster if I want to. On a 9 micron, probably about 7 to 10 passes on the 9 micron. One 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. We're to the leather pad. Usually about 15 passes on the leather pad. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're done. Did you look at your watch? Okay, we're done with the flat home portion. Okay, there you go. Is that fast? Well, you know, actually, I don't worry about speed. I am much more concerned about accuracy. This is accurate, and as you can see, it's fast. I don't know why anyone would need multi-heads. Thank you very much. I'm Ryan Parrish for Exactly Shears, and I will see you in class.